Okay, so this video is for anybody confused about how to use Canvas. So first of all, I just want to say that if you are using Canvas, you should be using a Chromebook or a laptop, tablet if you have to, but try to avoid using a phone. I just find that there's problems on phones, usually because of resizing issues. Canvas is meant to be a desktop application, and when you try to view things within the what's called iframe provided for a phone, it ends up distorting things, and you end up having to like turn the phone sideways a lot and resize it, and it's just finicky and weird. Use a computer if you can. If you have to use a phone, just be patient and be vigilant of how things might be different on that. So for example, here on my tablet, it's a little bit different than a computer. On a computer, you'd have some sort of information to the left, and here on my tablet, I have to actually click those little bars at the top there, those little three bars. I have to click that to get this information. So, subtle differences. But anyway, if you are using a phone or a tablet, like this is a tablet, I would make sure that you are downloading this here instead of the app. Do not go to the App Store. Do not download Canvas from the App Store or whatever. It's terrible. It doesn't work. For some reason, you can't get like assignments from it. I don't like it. So I'm going to show you how to get this instead. So first, you need to find out the URL to put into good old-fashioned Chrome browser. So once you do, you'll be you could probably dig that up from your email. Your school probably sent you an original link at the beginning of the school year. Just type in Canvas to your email, and you should find something. If not, email your school. They can provide you with a link or whatever. So then you're going to click these three things at the top, and hold on. Oh, I don't have this open in Chrome. I have, okay. So this is where you will be. You'll be in a Chrome browser. You're going to hit those three buttons, and you're going to hit add to home screen. I've already done this, so I'm not going to let it go through. But when you add it to home screen, you will get this, and you'll know it is a Chrome browser version because it'll have that Chrome symbol right there. So that's just that's the best way to go for using Canvas from a mobile device or tablet. So anyway, I'm going to pretend I'm in your class right now. So I'm going to say I have a whole bunch of classes right here, and I'm actually going to get rid of this one. I can't do it from here. So I have biology or ecology. I'm just going to say we're in biology class, and I click on it. That's what you're going to do. And this is your home screen. Now, different teachers pick different home screens. I have decided to customize my home screen because I'm a nerd and I like having fun, and this is what I have. So for me, my home screen has this big whiteboard, and there's me and Bulbasaur, because why not? I'm a teacher, I can do what I want. And so normally what's going to happen is I'm going to have a date here, and then I'm going to have some sort of summary of what we're doing day by day, and then I'll have little buttons for you to click. So this is Google Meets, which is my preferred video conferencing thing. This is Pear Deck, which is how I like to send lectures and classwork. This is Quizzes, which is how I like to do quizzes. And this is Quizlet, which is how I like to do flashcards. So this is all the stuff I'm doing this week, or did this week. And this is how I like to have my homepage. However, most teachers have their home pages differently. So real quick, I'm just going to pretend I'm you. I'm going to hit student view here so you see the same thing I do. So for you, I'm about to pull down an information bar. If you're on a computer, it would be on your left, on the near the bezel of your computer. But for me, it's up here. So the most organized way to view your work is to go to modules. And every teacher is going to have this laid out differently. For me, I'm doing it week by week. Some teachers will do it by subject. And then unfortunately, some teachers haven't quite figured out modules yet, and they're just posting assignments and not really organizing them. And I'm sorry if you're in that situation. you're going to have to dig through assignments, which is just another thing up here that I have disabled because I don't want my students to see assignments in an unorganized fashion. It's just some teachers just haven't quite figured this out yet. And if you're in one of those classes, you have my sympathy, but you'll have to just do assignments as they appear. But for me and for most teachers, your assignments will be set up in a weekly or a subject-based kind of setting. So I've already done week 1 and week 2 and week 3. We just finished week 3, so let's just use week 3 as an example. So you would obviously start at the beginning, so I'm going to click that. And there will usually be some sort of information in a big text box for you to do. You just follow whatever instructions is on there. So for example, it says here that this is 100 points and it's giving you a due date by midnight. And it's saying, click to join, answer all questions, listen to all recordings. So I would do that. I would click this little pair thing like it told me to. I would use my Google sign up or whatever, and I would do whatever assignment appeared. And then when I'm finished with that, I would hit next. And likewise, I would do that for all of these assignments as well. So here's one that people have issues with. Do you see how it says, I don't know if you can see my cursor. Let's see if I can use a highlighter tool. I can't. I don't know how to do that. So actually, I can. Do you see how there's this file upload thing? A lot of you are having problems with that. You don't know how to upload files for submission to a teacher's assignment. All the other stuff I just showed you was called external assignments. They are just websites that you do them there. It's really easy. But sometimes you have to upload an actual file, which can be difficult. So just real quick, I'm going to get rid of this. So if you're in that situation, what you need to do is, for me, I say click this robot, say you would do that, and it says do 2 activities. So when you want to actually submit the assignment, and in this particular assignment, I'm basically asking you to go to this website. I even give you a YouTube video to tell you how to do it. But I'm telling you that you need screenshots. So you can probably see that right here. I'm saying you need screenshots. I need screens. So how do you submit those screenshots of the 2 activities? Because I said I want 2. You need to do 2 screenshots. So how would you do that? Well, when you have your screenshots ready, you would hit submit assignment, and then you'll get this, and it says choose file. Most teachers aren't doing any of these. I don't know of any that are doing that. Most are just doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit choose file, and I'll show you an example of that. So I'm going to choose file from my tablet. It would be a screenshot. So here's a bunch of beautiful pictures of me doing whatever, trying to make a lecture online. So I'm just going to submit one of these and pretend it's a Quizlet. And can I do multiples? No, just one. So I select it, and now you can see that now I have this right here. I have that submitted. So that means I have attached one file. So now I'm going to attach another file because this says that I need 2 activities. I need screenshots for both, right? So I'm going to do that by choosing another file. And here is me showing my family a nutrition bottle or nutritional facts for something. I don't know. So now, did it work? I'm going to reload this. It didn't work. What the heck? I'm going to hit, oh, there it goes. Okay, I just didn't hit attach other thing, so I'm going to do that. And come on. What are you doing? My S Pen is acting up. Okay, there we go. So now you can see I have 2 files. Yay! I have what I need. So now you just hit submit assignment and you are golden. And then you just go to hit next. Okay? Oops, why did I save that? Okay, anyway. So then you hit next when you're done with that. Make sure you hit submit. Okay, I don't care. I don't actually need to submit this. So hit next when you're finished. And it's lagging. For me, come on. You can do it. There we go. And so this is just another thing. So yeah, that's basically it. You just, if you really are stuck and you don't know what to do, just go to modules, and that should get you oriented. All right, hope that was helpful and not too wordy. See ya.